So even though the garland is surrounded by bees, the twali kulir bibrad, Krishna wears it. So usually if you're wearing a garland and one bee is buzzing around and or buzzing around your lotus face and you're at Prem Sarovara and sitting on the lap of your beloved and your name is Radharani and then you're, shoo, 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 get this bee away. And then they chase away the Madhusudan and then a whole another lila evolves from that, Prem Vaicitya lila. So we would be disturbed if one bee was flying around us. What to speak of swarms? It says kula, ali kula, ali kula. Swarms of bees, and the gopis are saying, and Jiva Goswami is saying that the gopis are saying, Krishna, oh Tulsi, you're so fortunate. Even when swarms of bees are flying around your beautiful transcendental mundries, those little purple flowers and white flowers that give such an extraordinary otherworldly fragrance, which actually sends the perceiver to another realm of perception just by smelling the beautiful Tulsi flowers offered to Krishna. And he said, look, Krishna could say, oh, he doesn't even take you, even though there's so much opposition and so much distraction and seeming annoyance from those buzzing, because they're not only gathering around, there's swarms means thousands. When a beehive, when a family, when a kula, Ali Kula, when they swarm, it's 100,000 bees. It's like an entire city. So Krishna has 1 lakh of bees buzzing around. Swarm means lakhs, thousands of bees buzzing around. And what about the sound it makes? Wow, talk about generators. And multiply by 5,000. And Krishna's walking, it's nice. And he plays his flute too, and they play together. Krishna plays ascending and descending notes on his flute. And the bees go, So they enjoy. Because Krishna, everyone serves the cause of Krishna, whether they be a bee Ali or a gopi Ali. Ali bee or Ali gopi? Or Ali me. Ali me, Ali gopi, Ali bee. You got it? Where do you key in? Are you Ali B or Ali Gopi or Ali Me? Ali Me means Manjari.